step into the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, AM/FM stereo, child safety locks, AC, passenger airbag, pass-through rear seat, and split bench seat. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.